Here is how to delete your TikTok account permanently. So for this, let's open the TikTok application, and inside it, press on your profile icon from the bottom right, and now in the top right, you will see 3 lines. Let's hit these 3 lines, and now let's go inside settings and privacy from here, and this menu will pop up. Inside here, you will have to locate account, press on it, and now down below you'll locate deactivate or delete account. Let's tap on that, and now you have to choose between deactivate your account and delete your account permanently. If you will choose deactivate your account cannot be found and cannot be seen, including all your content, and your account can be reactivated at any time. But if you choose the delete account permanently option, then your account will be deleted after 30 days of inactivity. So basically, if you want to delete your account permanently, you will have to choose the second option, and after you choose it, if you don't sign in into your account for the next 30 days after this period of time of inactivity, it will be deleted permanently. And if you want to stop the termination of your account, you have to sign in back in these 30 days and the account termination will be cancelled. So that being said, to delete your account, let's choose this option. And now TikTok will ask for feedback. What's the reason for your leaving? You can choose any from here, or if you have another reason, you can choose the last one and you can type your own reason. After you choose a reason, press on continue, and now TikTok is asking you if you want to request to download your data like comments, direct messages, incoming wallet, likes, location reviews, posts and all that kind of stuff. If you want to request to download your information, you can select that, or if you just don't care, you have to check the box down below that you read that you reviewed your data request and also that you wish to continue deleting your account, and you have to understand that once you've done that, your account will be deleted permanently, and also all together with your content which you posted, videos, history and all that kind of stuff. So that being said, let's press now on continue because we wish to delete our account, and now it warns you one more time that your account will be deactivated for the next 30 days. It won't be visible to the public, and also that if you change your mind, you just have to sign in, and after 30 days your account and data will be deleted permanently. So read all this information, and if you want to continue, press on continue down below, and now you'll have to enter a verification code. They will send you an SMS verification to your mobile phone number that you created your account with. I just received mine, so I will write mine here, and now if you want to delete it, you will just have to press on delete. And my account has been deleted and I was signed out of my account. So that's how to delete your TikTok account permanently. I hope this tutorial helps, and thanks a lot for watching.